I'm getting ready to put together a protein-packed bowl of yum! It is so delicious and super easy to pull together. Let's get started. Put a bunch of leafy greens in the bowl. I'm using spinach today. Add in some quinoa, lentils, black beans, purple cabbage, tomatoes, avocado, carrots, chimichurri sauce, and a little cilantro. This sauce is ridiculous. It comes together quickly and it is so flavorful. I'll link to a video where you can actually see how to make that as well. I'll put that in the description for you. But that's all there is to it. This bowl is a protein powerhouse. You will absolutely love it. And feel free to mix and match your ingredients to whatever you have on hand. It is totally versatile and up to you. Get creative and make it your own. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.